வழி நெடுக காட்டு மல்லி யாரும் அத பார்க்கலையே. This is a soul-soothing melody Tamil song sung by, written and sung by 79-year-old musician, one of the genius composers ever to live on this earth, Illaiayaraaja. This song is from a blockbuster movie called Viduthalai, and it has captured the arts of Tamil people. And when I listened to this song, the lyrics is what I really admired, because it means wild flowers are blossomed all the way, jasmine flowers, but nobody sees it. When I saw that, all I could think about who that wildflower was, Ilaiyaraaja. He is that rare jasmine wildflower that nobody sees it. Nobody sees. Of course, there are his loyal fans who knows his greatness. By nobody, what I mean is the global market, the Grammy, the Oscar, call whatever. Nobody recognizes this genius. Man, he has composed like more than 1,200, 300 songs in 40 years. And during his peak, like when there was no other musician where he ruled the market, he used to work in 4 to 5 films in a week or day, I'm not sure, but he was composing music like AI almost writes copy. Such was his fastness. And know what? Each of them virgins. Most of the songs are blockbusters. Besides, when he watches a movie for the re-recording, all he does is simply watches the movie once and takes a pen, paper, the classic old school style, and writes music. And here, listen, this is the best part. Once he writes and if he gives it to the orchestra and if they play it, every note would be in perfect sync with the movie. Rarely, maybe there might be changes, or I'm not sure, but the whole, from what I had, there wouldn't be any changes in the music. Could you fucking believe someone with such memory, with such musical prowess? I don't think so. Anyway, the reason I'm sharing this video is, of course, to express my love for Illaiayaraaja, and I also want to give you a business lesson. You see, Illaiayaraaja can give a damn about awards. He can give a damn about what people think about him, because he is Illaiayaraaja. He is a genius. Honey doesn't go and seek bees. Bees come to honey. He is genius. People will one day surely come and take the honey he has collected. But can your business be afford to be like honey? Can your business be afford to be that unseen wildflowers that nobody sees it? Can it? Of course not. That's why you need to engineer your USP. USP is unique selling proposition. which that one differentiator which sets you apart from every other business in the market. That's USP. And it is not something that you just write in a doc and forget it. Your business should live, breathe USP. So don't be like that rare wildflowers. Get noticed, get seen, and if you need help, DM me. And I will sign off with the rare Illaiayaraaja song. வழி நெடுக காட்டு மல்லி யாரும் அத பார்க்கலையே. Cheers.